today 17 of Rebel with Riya in next 21 days. बिना black coffee तो literally मेरी सुबह नहीं होती. I had my black coffee in the morning. For lunch I had made pad thai noodles. मैंने ये राइस पेपर से बनाया था. ये बहुत ज़्यादा sticky हो गया था while cutting or whatever. I don't know, but the sauces का taste was really so good. I will definitely make it again because मैंने YouTube से देख के ही बनाया था. For evening I had an apple. आज Sunday था, मेरी बुआ आई थी. We celebrated रक्षाबंधन. We out went for dinner. तो फिर मैंने एक सैंडविच मंगवा ली थी. Obviously ऊपर का ये सब चिप्स ये सब नहीं खाया था. But I had a half of a sandwich. That's it for today. See you tomorrow.